What if your HVAC system is losing up to 30% of its efficiency and you don't even know it? That's why every facility, whether industrial, commercial, or hospitality, should conduct a Conalize HVAC air leakage audit. Hi friends, I am Divyanshu Patel from Harsh Engineering, serving industries for over 35 years with trusted energy and automation solutions. Duct audit helps you understand where your energy is being wasted and how much you can save without any plant shutdown. Don't wait for losses to grow. Schedule your Conalize audit today and take the first step towards smarter energy use.